So this morning we checked out our Airbnb and had a little bit of a luggage snafu. We thought we could leave our luggage in the room and the cleaning lady would work around it, but it turns out there was someone else checking in. So we came over to the Maya Mall, which is a gigantic mall, in the hopes of getting a luggage lock strap thing to connect all our bags so that nobody could just lift them. And then it turns out that they actually had one at the apartment. So now we're just hanging out in the mall and we're doing a little DIY food tour because there's a ton of foods here and it's also cheap. So far we have a Danish sausage.
Yep.
Chicken pie.
And some kind of donut. It is a hot dog, or room temperature, a croissant with hot dog in it, which is not a bad thing, mind you.
I compare it more to like a sausage roll pastry than a croissant.
I don't know if there's any chicken in it.
The chicken pie was 6 baht, which is 20 cents.
Yeah.
Thanks for checking my math.
You picked a defective one because there's no chicken in there. There might be a little bit of something right down in there.
For 20 cents. You're just paying for chicken flavored pastry, I think.
Oh, I got a little taste. There you go. Looks like
This
a
one's
curry
much
chicken.
drier.
Yeah.
Wow. Not a massive fan of that, but for 20 cents, you can't really go wrong.
Okay, first off, it's very chewy. It's not like a light.
How is it more like a cake donut?
No, it's not cakey either. It's actually chewy dough.
I'm gonna have to try this now. Oh, it is. It's like springy.
Yeah. I'm also not sure if that's white chocolate.
I think it's just icing.
It's just like milk icing.
That is unique.
It's not bad. It's just different.
I don't even have something to compare it to. So weird. We've been and picked up some more stuff. Pork curry donut, white rum donut pretzel.
This is gonna be good. It's very savory. It's not a sweet donut. It's like fried donut dough, but it's got a crispy coating and it's very savory. It's not sweet, and the pork filling is good.
Oh, that's weird.
I love it. Do you not like it?
No, it's not my favorite. A white rum pretzel donut.
Well,
Interesting. Very light, fluffy. I don't think it really tastes like rum at all. It just tastes like glazed icing, but it's very light.
it is. It's not a pretzel. I think it's delicious.
Check out the view. We're in basically the heart of Chiang Mai.
One look, and I breathe. One touch, feels skin deep. A picture perfect under sun.
We are at the Chiang Mai railway station waiting to board our 12.5-hour train trip to Bangkok from Chiang Mai. This is the first class lounge for railway passengers. So as you can see, it is fairly basic, but it is air conditioned. That's a good thing. And it does have its own bathrooms because you actually have to pay for the other bathrooms in the railway station. 3 baht to get in, which is like 10 cents. So anyway.
Walking down the platform to get on the train. It's a cute little station. I think this is second class, I guess? Because it looks like these are going to turn into beds. Are you excited to go on the train, Tim?
So excited.
Picked up some food. We have a bunch of water. We have some cup noodles in case we get hungry in the middle of the night. They have little water dispensers. In 12 hours, we will be in Bangkok. Let's see how this goes. We're in first class at least, because we fancy. Also, it was only $40 to get first class. It seems like it was worth it. One of the things that's pretty cool about this country is how reverent they are towards monks. There's a monk, I don't know if I can see him, he's behind me. There's a guard basically pushing his stuff. Every time we pass one of the train guards, they're like standing at the doors, they take off their hat and they bow to him. And it's not like a forced reverence like it would be for like a priest or something, because the Buddhist religion is very, you know, chill. So I think that's pretty cool. They also salute at anyone when they open the doors, which is kind of interesting. So this is our hotel for the night. And this is our cabin. We have 2 little seats for now. Later on, this will come down and become a bed here. It's our view that we have for the next 12 hours. Got a little sink, a little medicine cabinet. This is connecting to the next unit. For families or you and your pals, we try and find a bathroom. $40, it's not bad. That's what it would have cost us to fly. This way we don't have to pay for a hotel for the night. So pretty good. But we'll see how I feel in 5 or 6 hours. It's just gone 7 o'clock in the morning and we're about 20 minutes outside of Bangkok. It's been a long night. I didn't get any sleep on my bed. It was not very comfortable. There was a lot of moving and noises, so looking forward to getting to our hotel and maybe getting to lie down for an hour or 2. We're not going to one second. So, what did you think of the train, Tim?
It was noisy and it wasn't the most comfortable, but it was a cool experience. And I did sleep. It was like rocking me gently to sleep in the train. So I liked it. I would not do it every time, but I would totally do it again.
So we just got to our hotel in Bangkok for the last 2 nights. It's the Conrad. It's, I think, Hilton. We managed to score an early check-in by basically switching rooms to the equivalent room, but this is our room for the next 2 nights. This is the hallway. Got a couple closets, drawers, a seat, tub, a sink, shower. Say hi, Tim. There is a curtain that goes down. I've got a nice big bed. I'm guessing that's the mini bar. None of that's free. The water's free though. We've got a little lounging area. And then this is the view.
Change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In a paradise, we can work it out.
Come to an art installation thing, and they had one of my favorite ciders. Yay!
We can flee the night. Flee the night.